Ja, ich kann da nicht durch.
Ja, noch nicht wahrscheinlich.
Ist das der Kahn? Schaut so
Nein,
aus.
so Zorn.
The tombs of ancient kings were filled with whatever they might need in the afterlife. Weapons, chariots. They'd sacrifice their lives
Welpenkörper.
to serve their lords.
Ich bin einer von den Besen, glaube ich.
Reminds me of this bunker.
Cut that shit out.
The things in these cities are like what the conqueror took with him beyond the grave. Gold, steel, and wild steeds, and treasures untold. Of course, the tomb raiders would always die horribly, killed by demons or ghosts, or their own greed.
Wow.
You shut up or what?
Ah, das ist der Kahn.
Hey, I heard that Lesnitsky did something.
Lesnitsky.
What happened?
Nobody knows. Lesnitsky was at the lab. When the
Lesnitsky.
ship came, the door was open and the lab ransacked.
Ransacked.
Lesnitsky was gone.
Shit. So, what's inside?
Kann man nicht bewegen.
Chemical weapons, maybe some other shit. That's all I heard.
God damn it. The colonel's going to tear me a new one because of Lesnitsky.
Lesnitsky.
Right into my soul. If I still have it. All right, let's go. We might control D6. but it's like
typische
a damn
Lesnitsky.
city bunker. All the bunkers, the nooks and crannies, and exits.
Check top.
They base the order green to find it.
So geht's lang.
They say cancer is strengthening the sentry points along the whole
Kann man da irgendwas machen? Nicht, gell?
the ones
Nope.
close to the Nazis.
Nein, es schaut schon cool aus, das Spiel, also grafisch.
Take these
Ja.
guys to Miller. They've been
Ja.
signed.
Na, das ist ja cool. Also mal, der
All
erste
right,
Teil
come
war
on.
schon cool.
I'll
Oder
wait here.
ich glaube, das war
When
der
you've
erste,
gone, I'll speak to
den wir
Miller.
gespielt haben.
Hast du das auf vollen Grafik-Settings gespielt?
The bombing of the Dark Ones may
was
have
jetzt nicht,
been
müssen wir
humanity's worst mistake.
Was jetzt so?
What if they meant us no
Ja,
harm,
gut, du hast
but
natürlich
were
bessere
trying to
Grafik gehabt.
communicate?
Ja,
Perhaps
das
the
war ausgemacht,
severe
keine
pain
Ahnung.
and loss of consciousness suffered in their presence just meant
Ich kann mir an das also überhaupt nicht mehr erinnern. Ich gemacht, da war die Action gleich losgegangen. Nein, wirklich. Das ist, ich weiß noch, wie ich hinter so Alien-Dingen drin war.
the connection
Ah!
with the Dark Ones. Yes, people died
Der
at
Typ bin
Expedition, your home station. Hunter, the best of the order, is most likely dead as well. And he taught you this.
If we don't fight for our lives in this new world,
will be devoured. It is the law of evolution. But I would argue
An assault
the old
infantry
laws
company.
no longer apply.
was hast du gesagt?
Und so weit weg, verstehen. Ah, okay. Das glaube ich weiß ich
All
wieder.
right. Artyom, and you, God,
Genau.
you have something to report?
Yes, Colonel.
Let's keep it short then.
I located the surviving Dark One at the gardens.
What? One of those things is still alive?
Luckily, yes.
Luckily! Come, this is utter madness. The Dark Ones were the greatest threat the Order's ever faced.
Colonel, just give me a chance. A single Dark One is no threat. Artyom has a gift. I believe he can establish contact with the creature. Let him come with me.
All right. Artyom, go with Khan to the gardens and locate the Dark One. I'll send a sniper along. My best.
Anna.
Anna,
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Why would we need a sniper?
Samza.
to eliminate the creature and finish the Order's job.
Miller, you can't. It's murder.
Restrain him!
Idiot. You're making the same mistake that...
We're done here. Escort Khan out of here.
Artyom, it's your last chance for forgiveness. For getting rid of the nightmares. Ah!
Kahn!
Forget about Khan. Looks like he got close. Too close to the creature and lost his mind. Look here, Artyom. Complete the mission and get back here quickly. A war is coming, and I'll need every ranger at his post. On your way.
So, what are you waiting for? Come along, rabbit.
Waiting for...
Artyom, it is true that the Dark Ones can sense you. Maybe you could draw it out from hiding so Anna can have a clear shot. But do me a favor. Don't let the Dark One get into your mind.
Geht's auch, ne?
Anna will have 2 targets. And
Is
don't
that
forget to
understood?
finish it with a headshot. We now suspect Leslie. Was asleep.
Hast du sie alle gelesen?
Don't
So,
tell me
und
all that bullshit about making
jetzt sind wir
peace
da
with the
allein im
Dark
Lift.
Ones. I wish I had been up in that tower myself to see the
Get the was.
missiles fall and watch them burn in their nests.
Du musst das auch sehen.
Come on, Rabbit. Would you let those things into the metro? Let them crawl into our brains so they could use us like animals.
Ich glaub.
Maybe we could mate with them,
glaub, da
so the
geht
children
was.
could live on the surface and feed off
Oh
the
ja, da kommt
radiation.
jetzt was.
Shit. You don't shake hands with the devil.
Na, was cool.
Step away from the edge of the platform. Train coming in.
Ich hätte wieder was anderes gemeint jetzt.
Ich glaube, das stimmt jetzt zusammen aus, was du
Like a good little rabbit.
Ja, like a good little rabbit. Wer sterben denn
We've
so?
worn this place out. Let's move.
Nope. Schau mal durch, vielleicht klickt irgendwo was. Glaube eher nicht. Ah ja.
Just a year ago, I stood on top of the TV tower and saw missiles rain on the botanical gardens, turning the flesh into ashes, smelting metal and glass. Nobody and nothing could survive that inferno. Yet Khan did find a Dark One there. Now my mission is to find and eliminate it. To finish what I started.
Boah,
Schaut voll geil aus.
In the past, trains were ordinary things. But now, this monorail seems magic, doesn't it? Our kids won't know how to operate these things. And their kids will probably
okay, ich
think
will wirklich
this
die
was
Waffen,
built
die ich
by the gods.
ausprobiere.
Kannst du dann auch wieder eintauschen.
Alright, we've reached the station. This is part of the secret Metro 2 line. We haven't explored these tunnels. Can't spare the time or manpower.
Schaut schon
So
cool
don't
aus.
wander off.
Boah, ja. Die Lichteffekte sind der Hammer. Boah.
I'll try to put some juice on the system and get the lights on. Use your flashlights in the meantime.
Oh shit.
Right, you ready? Let's move.
Kann man das
Watch
überhaupt
yourself. The doors are closing. Good luck.
Yeah, we'll need it.
Oh fuck.
Didn't you and my father take them on
Ah!
fire the missiles? That's a good sign, Rabbit. Maybe we'll have luck with this mission too.
Ist das krass? Das gibt's. Er flippt da voll aus. Schau das an. Ist das ekelhaft.
wieder da alles verschissen, was ich hab.
Ist das widerlich.
Come on, don't just stand there.
Well.
There's the lever.
Das ist klar, das gibt's ja nicht.
You did fine after all.
Oh mein Gott.
Braucht mir kein Licht, oder?
Mhm.
Oh oh.
All clear. Move out.
Looten und so gibt's da nicht, oder was?
Ich glaube nur teilweise, aber ich meine, das
All right.
fällt dann
The
irgendwie
map
auf.
shows a collector entry point ahead.
Okay.
Er nimmt ja die Moon eigentlich eher automatisch.
Move. I'm following.
Na super. Ein letzter Blick.
Oh shit.
Go right.
Oh.
There's a dead end on the
Das
left.
ist echt geil. Schaut schon cool aus.
Holy
Okay,
shit.
er rechnet, ist nicht gut.
Oh.
Bei Skyrim, das Skelett.
Ja. Kann ich laufen auch?
Ja, mit Shift, oder? Geh mal fix davon.
Nein, geht nicht.
Achso.
Nun,
Oh shit.
Shit.
Was
That
war denn
thing's
das?
fast. I don't think we'll run into anything serious here.
ja, hoffentlich.
Great. The ladder. It's just a little more walking. Then we'll see if you're rabbit or man.
Was ist denn das? Das ist ja nicht einmal ein Spinn.
Kopf bewegt.
Ich mag die Viecher überhaupt nicht.
Surface, put your mask on.
Okay.
Ja. Das ist cool.
With looking at my ass, it's way out of your reach, rabbit.
Kann man das schneller rein?
Vor allem die Kleidung verhüllt fast nix.
Ja.
War schon viel Fantasie.
Cooler mit den Regentropfen.
Give me a hand here.
Ja.
Das weiß ich jetzt wieder.
Ja, da geht es sicher viel zu da draußen, oder?
Das weiß ich wieder nimmer. Aber an die Szene hat mich gerade erinnert. Ja. Das schaut schon geil aus.
Let's go to the main entrance. There's a good
Wie
shooting
lange habe ich denn
position
Luft?
there. I can cover a lot of territory.
Ich glaube, du kannst auf der Uhr. Genau,
You're
das ist
supposed
jetzt
to be
direkt
an
eingeblendet
there.
und Zeit aber.
What?
Ah ja,
Influence? Well, I don't have your gift.
Genau.
jetzt geht's.
So hop along, rabbit.
Hoppla.
Head on in and look for the creature. I'm thinking that since the dark ones are so fond
Oh,
of you,
shit.
it'll sense you, or smell you, or whatever the fuck they do, and come from hiding.
Oh.
Just try to stay in the open so I can cover you. We'll maintain radio contact.
Okay, ganz kurz.
Ah,
And if you have second thoughts, don't worry. I'll do it. Okay then. Good luck.
So, wieder schauen.
aha. Wo muss ich hin?
Ah, ja, klar, jetzt. Okay.
I'm in position. I can see you. Something's still burning where the nest was. That's some fine wasteland. You guys sure did a good job here. It's strange. What could still be burning after all this time? I see some kind of movement. Get ready. On the right. I'm working on them.
Holy shit.
Oh shit, ah!
They're watching.
Fuck. Okay.
Oh.
So.
That helm was bad luck. Get ready for more.
Ja,
Another
toll.
3. Let's do it. Now, watch out. Look, there's more in the reef.
Ah, shit.
Klick, 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 klick. Schade, aber was tun wir jetzt nicht, dass das so eine endlose
How are
Geschichte
you?
ist. Ah, okay.
Hey, you alright? Hey, Artyom. You're doing a decent job. Maybe you're more than a rabbit after all.
Ja, critical.
There's something at the edge of the crater. A tree is blocking my view.
Oh shit. Was für Crater?
Dieser Crater. Genau, du musst ja jetzt den Typen jagen.
Okay, go left. There's a way around.
Ah.
Swap.
Wie viel habe ich denn Filter?
Ich glaube nicht so viel.
2 oder so.
Hast zumindest genommen.
From your position. 2 o'clock. There it is. Looks small, but it's definitely a dark one.
Wo ist er?
What's keeping you? Come on.
Ah, da.
Fast. How did it do that? Circle it from the left.
Oh. So ein kleiner Zwerg. Daneben. Wie heißt Susi?
Anna.
What?
Anna, schieß mal!
Was hält denn der aus?
Ja, mach nochmal Vollgas.
Der kleine Zutsch.
Jetzt ist er hier.
Ah! Der Arme.
Mhm.
Still warm. Guten Morgen.
Come on.
Come on.
The creature I met in the burnt-out remains of the gardens looks like a dark one. And it was able to enter my mind, dragging the innermost out of me. But it was also just a baby. And I am sure that it recognized me. And got scared. It also left me knocked out for some time. Just enough for me to get captured.
Perfekt für Pause.
Mhm.